This is the demonstration of AI product recommendation. So the scenario is if your customer likes a photo they see on Instagram or on their phone or on a magazine like this, they could walk into a store and then find similar products that could recreate this look. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try finding products for this look and then also for this look. So now I will demonstrate finding products using the first look. So we have two different methods to send the look to the iPad. The first one is to scan the QR code using your phone, and then you could upload an image on your phone, or you can just open the camera and then take a photo of the look. So this is the look, capture, and then after image analysis, these are the products that we found that could recreate the look. So we could try on the products on ourselves. So as you can see, the look is very similar. So you can see that the lipstick color, the blush, and the eyeshadow are very similar to the look. And this is the first look, and let's try the second one. So this is the second look that we will be using. Let's take a photo. And let's try it on as well. So as you can see, the colors are very different from the first look. It mimics the look that we've demonstrated. So if customers like this look and they like the products, they can also take a photo. And then they could basically take the image and also the product info home by using the QR code, where they could get it on their phone, or they could also send an email to themselves. So this is the demonstration for AI product recommendation.